In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a debt tracker in Notion. We're going to build a simple, reliable table that keeps every debt in one place and shows your payoff progress automatically. Start by opening a new page in Notion and type Table to insert a new table view database. This will be the home for all your active debts. Give the page a clear name so you can find it easily later. Add the essential properties your tracker needs. The first column, debt name, is your title property. Use it to label each debt with a clear name, like a specific credit card or loan type. Next, add a number property called total amount. This is the original or starting amount of the debt. Then add another number property called current balance, which is what you still owe today. Create a percent property named interest rate to capture the APR. Make sure you enter it as a percentage, not a decimal. Add a date property called due date for your next payment deadline. Finally, add a select property named status. Create options such as active, paid off, and high priority. These tags help you quickly scan what needs attention. With the structure in place, let's add automation so the tracker does the math for you. Create a new formula property called amount paid. In the formula editor, paste prop total amount minus prop current balance. This subtracts your current balance from the original total and shows how much you've already paid. If the result looks off, double-check that your number formats and entries are correct. Now create another formula property called progress percentage. Use the formula prop amount paid divided by prop total amount. This calculates the fraction you've paid off. Open the property's display settings and change the number format to %, so it's easy to read at a glance. Then switch the Show as option to Progress bar for a visual indicator of your payoff journey. You can also adjust decimal places to keep the view clean. At this point, enter a few sample debts to see your tracker come to life. As you update current balance each month, amount paid and the progress bar will update automatically. If you want your most urgent items first, sort by due date or filter to show only active debts. Keep your naming consistent and, when possible, format number properties as currency for clarity. That's it. You now have a practical debt tracker in Notion that keeps you organized and motivated. Keep it updated. Review it regularly and let the progress bar cheer you on. Thanks for watching.